So this video goes out to all the people right now who are basically trying to go into this new year with a better outlook and simply make a big move in their lives. And recently, obviously we decided to move to Tampa and we got a house, and I invited, my copywriter Dave with me. And this video kind of goes out to Dave because a lot of people are scared to make that move, okay? I know it's a financial responsibility for you to move out, live on your own, take care of your bills, and do all that. But it's all for the better. Like, it's supposed to be hard in the beginning. Like, moving out is the only way that you will grow. It is very hard to grow a business when you're living with your parents or like you're at school in a dorm room. Like, it's not easy to do that, and only a select few have actually done it. It's very difficult. You need a certain environment. You need to get out of the current baby fed standard that you're in, because most of the time, like when you're living at home, you don't have that much accountability. Your parents have your back, and that's the way that it is. But when you move out on your own, really just want to do that real quick. But when you live on your own, it's either you live or die on your sword. And I think that for people who are nervous right now, I know there's people who are watching this who are like, oh, I want to move out so bad, but I don't have the funds. I don't know what to do. You'll figure it out once you make the move. The only way that you will figure it out is if you actually do it. You can't future, depict what's going to happen. When I moved from New York to here, I wasn't making much money. And I only had maybe 7 to 8 clients who were holding me up. And it was hard for me to hit, that 10K a month mark. It was just difficult. And I was around the 5 to 7. And it's hard because when you're spending a lot on software, when you're delegating, when you're paying for rent, you're paying for food, you're paying for things, you're going out, all those expenses pile up. And that's why it's hard for people to leave their bad habits and make new ones while moving out at the same time, because you're thinking about your current lifestyle. You're going out a lot, or you're spending money on dumb shit, you're buying a lot of clothes, you're buying things that you don't need. But once you move, you have to crack it down on those expenses, and you have to realize that every dollar you put into your business is going to get you further out of the mindset of, I have to save money, save money, save money. Now for me, it's what's the next move as far as how I can exponentially grow, not how can I exponentially save money. Now it's about growth. In the beginning, it's about saving money and putting every dollar into the business. And later on, you're going to realize that moving out was the best thing that you did. Your parents are not going to help you grow your business, okay? They're getting older. They want to have life to themselves. They want to enjoy themselves. They've worked all these years, supporting you and doing all those things. Now it's up to you to hold the legacy and do something. The only way you're going to do that is if you get out and, be that butterfly in society and, meet new people, make your own moves, and win or lose on your own sword. And that's what you're going to learn. So, I'm going to say this very blunt. If you've been thinking about moving out, you just got to work harder. That's literally the answer. Prioritize what means a lot to you, and you will get the results that you want. Moving out is not this disadvantage to your wallet. It is an advantage long term if you're willing to put in the work.